Runway daw siya dito kasi secretary daw.
May sarili siyang hangar.
But for the Castle on the Hill and Sunset Soiree, these are basic photo stations where you can take your portraits from.
So ito yung kwarto namin. Bali may ka-share ako na ibang tatlong other media. Nasa room 311 kami. It reminds me nung setup nung kwarto na nakuha namin sa Bataan. Also with Honor. It was exacto 1 year ago, August 2023. Nasa room 311 kami. We have yet to check kung mas okay ang wifi dito compared sa Bataan. Pero it was last year kasi sa Bataan. I hope nag-improve na sila doon. Eto. So yung ganitong setup na dito ulit. Kung ano yung pagkakapwesto yung space solo, dito ako nakapili. Nauna ako sa kwarto. Itong ganito, no? And I think it costs 5 digits to. Yun yung TV. Tapos yung aircon, something. So that is it. Time check. Anong oras na ba? 4:07 PM. Yan. Maulan dito sa Kamana sa Duwari. And buti na lang may pamerienda. Yun ang concern ko actually. Lalo syempre kung gutom ka lalabas ka. Naulan ngayon. As in, yung mga nag-activity ngayon for syempre sali tayo dyan. Pero hindi ako maasa naman nanalo dyan. Sana parapol na lang Honor. Never pa ako nananalo talaga sa mga siguro kung puro tech yung vlogger siya, pwede ba? Tech media, pwede ba? Dahil mga lifestyle, dehado tayo dyan Ano muna? Buti, di ko pa naubos yun dyan. Ano muna tayo? Merienda muna tayo bago tayo sumot. Mabilis lang naman yan. Tapos nung hotel room namin, mapapansin mo, yun may sign. Do not feed the monkeys. So, sabihin, somewhere may lalabas dito ng mga monkeys sa loob. Diyan sabihin, dito sa paligid na ito. Welcome to Subic. Time is 5:09 PM and nakita niyo may yung sample ko sa Instagram na gumagana na yung bagong AI eraser ng Honor. Unfortunately, mahina yung wifi din sa hotel, so kailangan pa natin i-download through mobile data. Sayang lang di dumating yung update sa atin bago tayo pumunta dito sa Zambales. Actually, ito yung first time ko ever to be in Zambales and in Subic in general. Nag-try ako I think before pa ng COVID, and ito meron silang sand. Ito rin ayaw ko sana pwede yung 1 pictures in 2 entries. So yun yung beach warning. Beach warning sila actually. So may mga dikya dito sa area na to. Possibility. Buti na talaga di siya nakakidlat, pero bate may dala tayong tripod for the sunset. Magiging sunset setting na ito na medyo maulan ng konti. Kanina dumating kami dumating kami hindi pa maulan. Umulan lang siya simula noon 3 and until now, yun nga binanggit ko 5 past na nga nung re-record ko to. Di siya kasi laki obviously yung pinuntahan ng yung invite sa amin ng Honor last year sa Bataan, pero definitely at least mas madaling lakaran dahil maliit lang. At least another province unlocked, so thank you very much Honor Philippines for this another opportunity. Ito ko sa wild, pero nakompleto na rin natin yung task ng Honor. Sana naman after 2 years manalo na ako sa Honor this time. Never pa ako nananalo sa wala nag-launch sa Pilipinas late 2022, except yung Christmas party Which lahat talaga binigyan ng Honor Philippines. Nadali ko rin.
That 8 p.m. magka-cut off po tayo ng LPs. And pag natapos nyo po yung 4 photo challenges, don't forget to surrender your passports. So, ikot-ikot na lang kami mamaya during the dinner para you can surrender your passports. Because again, only accomplished passports will qualify for the raffle. Okay? So, again, post your entries up until 8 p.m. Post as much as you can. Then surrender your passport to qualify for the raffle. Surrender your accomplished passport for the raffle. Then, last announcement, of course, it's not an honor Thanksgiving party without a singing contest. So, during dinner,
Pakanta talaga. Gaya ng ginawa sa Bataan.
Kung sino na lang yung first 15 na
First 15.
pagsulat, sa akin lang po kayo lalapit. Mag-ikot kami ni Martha.
So, sa tissue!
Hello Martha. Yung listahan po ng ating singing contest. So, kami po ni Martha ang maglilista. First 15 na makapag-sign up sa amin ni Martha will be the ones na maglalaban after the program. Okay?
Just like what happened sa Bataan.
So, sumali, i-approach po kami mamaya kapag meron na kami papel and paper, ay papel and ballpen. Papel and ballpen, then, yun. Tapos yung song nyo po, kukunin na din namin. Kasi para latag na liban. Okay? So, approach us pag meron na kami listahan. And then, come up, finalize your song para dire-diretso na tayo. Okay?
Dinner, so beef kare-kare, tapos sauteed green beans, tapos veggie na fried rice, tapos salad, dalawang klaseng assorted cakes, bulalo Batangas sa sabaw. Enjoy!
We are headed by one and only Stephen Chang, our Vice President. Where are you, boss? Ay, nasa na siya. Ay, anyway. Of course, we have here the esteemed guests, our media partners, our KOLs. Of course, Princess is one of them. Thank you, Princess, for being part of this program. Thank you guys for, wala akong ibang word na masasabi tonight, but thank you. And of course, full of gratitude yung celebration natin. Especially throughout the Honor 200 series campaign, from the initial Hardcore Photo Studio shoot that we had, I think 2 months ago to the grand launch last July 17. And now, as we continue to sustain the momentum of the Honor 200, your support has been invaluable, sobra. Kasi na-appreciate namin lahat. Especially tonight, that some of you went here, humabol from different errands, also from events in Manila. Grabe at ngayon umuulan, sobrang na-appreciate namin po. Tonight is a night of celebration, like what I said, and gratitude. Your presence and support fuel our passion and reassure us that Honor is finally back in the market. And you give us the confidence that Honor is truly the number one smartphone. Can I say that? The number one smartphone in the Philippines.
Mas mura!
And of course, for that we are immensely thankful to each and every one of you. And I've said that before, without your support, we wouldn't be here today. And so, from the bottom of our hearts, on behalf of Honor Philippines, thank you for everything. And please enjoy the evening. This event isn't just about Honor or the Honor 200, but of course the night and this celebration is all because of you, and this celebration is for all of you guys. All right. So enjoy the drinks, enjoy the food that we have. Of course, the prizes later on, Dennis will share everything. So maraming
Honor 200, so you're very lucky to try it out on first hand because right now it's not out yet to public. Okay, so ano nga ba yung ibang AI features ng Honor 200? So of course, it's not just the AI eraser tool. So we have so many AI features, but we ranked it to 1 to 10 top AI features. AI eraser tool, and you already tried it out. It's very simple. You can access it to the gallery. So once you take a photo with a photo bomber, or if may mga unnecessary elements sa photos nyo, you can just easily remove those elements via the gallery. So you can just open the photo and then click the edit feature, and then there's an AI eraser tool there that you can easily tap. And then once you click the unwanted element, then it's gone. So it's like a magic. So it's really a magic AI eraser tool. But of course, it's not just whenever you take a group photo, and then there's someone, or may isa na naka-close yung eyes, you can click that person so that you can automatically edit his or her eyes and make it open. So that when you upload it on social media, oh, it's readily available now. You don't need to retake photos if someone has closed eyes on your group shots. So that's the second, the face-to-face translation. So this one, it's gonna be available for Honor Magic V3. That's gonna be on September 5. It will be launched in IFA Berlin this September 5. But since we're advanced and we really want Filipinos to try out the best AI features of Honor, we are planning to roll this out with the other AI features of Honor 200 this September. So the face-to-face translation feature is actually a very helpful feature for travelers, especially international travelers. So how are you gonna access this? Once you go to settings, just go to assistant and then click face-to-face translation. So if you are in other country and then you don't know how to speak the language, you can just use this app, this tool, and then speak your language, specifically English, and then automatically Honor 200 can translate your voice into the voice or into the language na sineselect nyo. So for example,
Yeah, good morning. 8:12 na ng umaga. Actually, nung 7 AM pa nagbukas yung yung breakfast sa kainan. Pero malaki pa naman yung gap. So hanggang 10ish, 7, 9. Or nakita ko sa FB event page namin na hanggang 10. So, yung sitwasyon ngayon, at least kalmado na ngayon. Mas kita na ngayon yung I think ito yung other side ng ng Zambales, tong parang bundok na to. Basta na, nililigpit na yung intent. Tsaka yung obviously naka na yung mga setup kahapon, niligpit na. Iba mga naliligo pa or not me. Is kita mo na yung other side there para sa goods. Tara, breakfast muna tayo. Yun yung mas pinipicture ng mga nakapag-YouTube na dito yung hallway. So, galing kami ng room 311. Buti malalapad naman yung stairs po ba. This ito, another first mga di na feature ng mga naunang nag-YouTube dito. Pero pinakagusto ko sa lahat ng nag-YouTube yung pamilya recently na nag-stay dito nung Good Friday last. Basta yung previous lang na Good Friday tapos nag Easter Sunday sila dito. Meron lang siya yan yung yung area na may ilalabas daw the monkeys. Okay, breakfast muna tayo. Two rugs, ito yung nakita ko sa mga nag-YouTube. So, tinira ko muna yung arroz caldo tsaka champorado guys. Round 2. So, may dessert, may ensaymada, cheese bread, waffle, sausage salpicao, beef tapa, eggplant parmesan, tsaka plain rice. Wala silang fried rice doon. Ang pinaka mamimiss ko is unlike do sa ibang mga nakapag-YouTube nitong Kamana, absent yung spam hash, pero meron sila nung yung kilala sa kanila na omelette station. Pero hindi ko try pag omelette okay na ako dito after this. 3. So talagang di na talaga lumilitaw yung yung spam hash nila. So kalahati lang. Hindi ko nga pinuno yung kape ko, baka tamaan ako ng reflux tsaka mushroom. Goods na. So ngayon bumawi yung mga bago umuwi ng Manila. Kasi di na umuulan. Clear view. Clear view ng yes. Clear view ng something. Kahit pa sabihin mo sanay na sa mga coastal ng nakita ko na yung sa Bataan, nakita ko na yung sa Batangas. Ito, bago to, Subic area. Thank you very much, Honor Philippines. Sakto rin pala yung schedule kasi may pa-media meetup yung isang PR firm. Tapos bukas bakbakan na naman sa MPL, pero higher chance na baka remote ulit ako for coverage ng MPL Philippines. It's week 3. Ngayon this week yung laban ng ng dalawang mainit ngayon na teams, Team Liquid tsaka Falcons AP Bren. Linggo, Friday and Sunday. This Friday and Sunday din yung laro ng Aurora. I know sold out na yung dalawang games na ng Aurora. Kaya nung huling post ko sa community, except hindi ko na isilip ngayon as in wala akong dalang laptop. Yung round 2 na lang ng TNC versus Aurora na lang yung hindi pa na sold out na ticket. As of nung screenshot ko ng August 26. I'm filming this one August 20 na yun na ngayon Pero hindi na ako magtataka kung pag-upload ko na itong video na to, pati yung sinasabi kong round 2 ng TNC versus Aurora sold out na rin. Kasi isa nga nag-comment, sabi akala October, kasi in-expect niya na papasok sa October 27. Luluwas siya from LU, yun, galing siya kalayo, La Union. Kinorek ko na. Huwag na para hindi siya masaktan bago siya mahuli. Akala niya October 27 yung grand finals ng MPL. Ay ko hindi, October 20 kasi ang playoff dates is 16 to 20 and usually yung 5th day ng playoffs ng MPL PH is the grand finals traditionally. And traditional na naman lagi Wednesday to Sunday yung start ng playoff dates ng MPL. We have yet to check kung ano yung venue. Although may nalilito ako sa isang slide. Ayoko pakita yung slide na yun. We have yet to confirm kung ano yun.
Marcoli ka na.
Take off na kami ng mamayang alas 11. Sakto yun. Lunch na lang in between sa road. Bago doon sa ng pier. Sulit na ng pulo iba. Hindi ako sanay sa ganyan mga pulpul na yan. Baby, lakad na lang ako doon nga pala, sorry. Yan, nas paano kami. Ito na yung next na nakabuko. PTR na Energy. While kami yung out ng alas 11. Ito na yung next magbubuk dito sa resort na to. Ito yata exclusive yata itong spot na to. Yung spot na yan. Malamang ito sa mga pinakamahal May kumakaway pa from there Down there. Ang swerte talaga yung mga nakapwesto dito sa hotel na to Si mo. Literally pwede ka nang di lumabas Pwede spot din namin yan So papakita ko from upper kung saan yung kwarto naming 4. Actually first time lang talaga namin na magsama sa isang kwarto. Ako sanay na ako since mas nag-hostel ako Siyempre most mura hostel. So yan, room 311 kami. So yan, Yan yung spot namin, 311. Yung hotels dito, yung sabihin yung pinili na per grouping is rooftop 4. Pero yung kwarto kaya hanggang 6 eh. Kasi yung sa akin, queen size ba o king size yung nasa akin. Basta yung setup, kagaya siya nung sa ano, nung pinagbukan namin last year, binook din ng owner. Ganun, sabihin, ganun na ganun din. May isang queen size sa taas. Tapos sa ground floor, 4 yung pwedeng, maximum of 4 yung pwedeng mahiga. Wala, nakaunang makapasok. May nagsushoot pa doon. Ano lang, dumalaw lang ng konting ulan. Ayan, tuloy pa rin sila. Dumalaw lang. Sinanamnam ko na yung view. So 11 pa kami eh. Akala, conquerin natin. Yung spot na hindi ka nakakonquer, tingnan na natin. Video ko long rooms. I think it's sa 101 to eh. Kasi yung dyan daw may mga lumabas sa monkeys. Tapos shower wall? Tama ba? Shower wall, lalo sa mga nag-swimming. Tapos mas malapit na view ko. I'm sure exclusive area to. Paki-correct na lang ko sa mga ano, sa mga nakapagrenta nito, yung mga sabihin yung mga naka-stay na din sa Kamana. Paki-correct na lang ako kung ano tong spot na to, hindi ko alam eh. Syempre hindi natin pupuntahan, privacy issues. Tapos that kapal ng greenery here. Solid. Obviously, upgrade yung Honor 200 ko para sa Honor 90. And definitely a lot. Sobrang upgrade kung manggagaling ka sa Honor 70. Nakwento ko doon sa isang komedya ko. Balit lang yung jump from Honor 70 to 90. Pero yung jump from Honor 90 to 200, medyo mas mataas. Although siguro may bearing kasi walang lumabas na Honor 100 dito eh. Yung Honor 100 sa China lang yun. 4 kids. Wala, hindi ako naka-gimbal on this one. Cell tower. Di ko nababanggit sa video, pero sa mga pupunta dito, mas malakas yung signal ng dito kaysa Smart. But yun naman de-declare ko as of August 29, 2024. Mas malakas ang signal ng dito kaysa sa Smart. Although parehong 4G lang. Pero definitely yung LTE nandito sa Kamana, mas malakas kaysa sa Wi-Fi dito sa room. Actually, lately, kagabi na lang kami nakakonect sa 5 GHz kasi yun din pinrovide ni Honor. Ang Wi-Fi ng hotel dito is maingay sa spot na to. Yung hotel ng Wi-Fi sa sa Kamana is PLDT. Yun, is dagdag kaalaman yun. Siguro papakap na tayo 5 minutes. Gusto ko nang papali yung wall ng Honor dito. That one. Testing ng Zoom 5X. Goods pa rin. Nanamnamin ko na to without shooting the video bago kami magpack up.